This week we will learn about baby animals. What do you know about baby animals? Which animals hatch? What do animals do when they get big? Which animals help people? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can learn about some baby animals. Our first high-frequency word is jump. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Jump. Jump. She can jump high. Say the word again after me. Jump. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. J-U-M-P. The letter U stands for the short U sound, Blend with me. J-U-M-P. Jump. Now skywrite the word jump. J-U-M-P. Try to write it without looking. J-U-M-P. The next word is right. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Right. Right. Right has several different meanings. It can mean right as in, do you use your right or left hand? It can mean right as in, I put my backpack right by the door. Or it can mean the right as in, did the character do the right thing? Say the word again after me. Right. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. R-I-G-H-T. The letters I-G-H stand for the long I sound. I. Blend with me. R-I-T. Right. Now write the word, skywrite the word right. R-I-G-H-T. Next word is say. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Say. Say. Did he say when he would be home? Say the word again after me. Say. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. S-A-Y. The letters A-Y stand for the long A sound. A. Blend with me. S-A. Say. Now skywrite the word say. S-A-Y. Try to write it without looking. S-A-Y. The next word is there. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. There. There. The children took their snacks outside. Say the word again after me. There. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. T-H-E-I-R. The letters T-H stand for the th sound. In this word, the letters E-I-R stand for the sounds R. Blend with me. Th-air. There. Now, skywrite the word there. T-H-E-I-R. Try to write it without looking. T-H-E-I-R. Your next word is walk. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Walk. Walk. The boys want to walk to the store. Say the word again after me. Walk. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. W-A-L-K. The letters A-L stand for the sound aw. Blend with me. W-aw-k. Walk. Now write the word, skywrite the word walk. W-A-L-K. Try to write it without looking. W-A-L-K. The next word is way. Look at the word, repeat the word after me, way. Way. He is on his way home. Say the word again after me, way. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. W-A-Y. The letters A-Y stand for the long A sound, A. Blend with me. W-A, way. Now skywrite the word way. W-A-Y. Try to write it without looking. W-A-Y. The next word is where. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Where. Where. Where are you going? Say the word again after me. Where. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-H-E-R-E. The letters W-H stand for the sound W. In this word, the letters E-R-E stand for the sounds R. Blend with me. W-air. Now write the word, skywrite the word where. W-H-E-R-E. Try to write it without looking. W-H-E-R-E. Our last word is why. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Why. Why. Why is the sky blue? Say the word again after me. Why. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. W-H-Y. The letters W-H stand for the sound W. The letter Y stands for the long I sound, I. Blend with me. W-I. Why. Now skywrite the word why. W-H-Y. Try to write it without looking. W-H-Y. Now let's read all the new words that we learned together, starting on the first line. Jump, write, say. There, walk, way, where, and why. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that we can blend sounds to say words. Today you will blend sounds I say to say the word. The words will be names for the pictures on the screen. Now, listen as I do the first one. Th, I, n. When I blend th, I, n, I say the word thin. Now you blend these sounds to say a word. T, I, n. What's the word? Tin. That's great. So as you blend and say a word, point to the picture you say that matches the word. Ready? Okay, the first one is I, n. Ish. M. At. O, n. Good job. Now let's learn how to read some new words. Whistle begins with the W sound. The consonants WH can stand for the sound W at the beginning of a word. Look at the word win. W, E, N. The consonants WH stand for the W sound at the beginning of when. The vowel E comes after the WH in when. Remember, when there is one vowel in a word and it is followed by one or two consonants, the vowel is usually short. Blend with me. W-e-n. When. Thermometer begins with the th sound. The consonants th together can stand for the sound th at the beginning or end of a word. Look at the first word. The consonants th stand for the th sound at the beginning of thin. Now look at the second word. The consonants th can also stand for the slightly louder sound th at the beginning of a word like this, or at the end of a word. Put your hand against your throat. Now, when you say this, you can feel your throat vibrate. When you say the quieter thin, your throat does not vibrate. Now, look at the third word. The consonants th and r together stand for the sounds thr at the beginning of a word like three. You know that the letters ch stand for the sound at the beginning of cheetah. Ch. Look at the word catch. The trigraph tch also stands for the ch sound. The consonants tch only appear at the end of a word. Now let's blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first two letters are th. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by two consonants, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2 and blend the two sounds. I, th. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Thick, thick. Read it with me. Thick. Now we are going to practice writing some of the letters K, V, and W. Pause the video and go get a piece of paper or your journal and a pencil. Okay, is everybody ready to practice writing their letters? To write a K, you start at the top line. You pull all the way down to the bottom line. Then you're going to slant a little bit to the left. And then you're going to slant out to the right. Start at the top and pull down, slant to the left, slant to the right. Now to write a lowercase v, you start on the middle line and you slant right and then you slant up. One time. Slant right, slant up. To write a lowercase w, you're going to start at the middle line. You're going to slant right and slant up 2 times. 1, 2. Slant right, up. So it's more like 2 V's instead of a W. You are going to write 10 lowercase k's and 10 lowercase v's and 10 lowercase w's in your journal. Take a picture and turn it in to your teacher. Now you are ready to read chicks hatch. Look at this batch of eggs. What kind of baby animals will hatch from this batch of eggs? You're going to read a story called Ducks Hatch. Okay, so let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned the sound WH says W. TCH says ch at the end of a word. TH says f or th. And we learned how to write the letters K, V, and W. We also learned 8 new sight words, high frequency words. Okay, go read your stories, friends. Have a good day.